Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. It is my new channel. Please support and subscribe my channel and motivate me. Any queries, any problem, comment me, I will solve you. This is a desktop. I will show you my VLC. This is my VLC player. I available already installed. Okay, I will show you how to install and download in 1 minute. So let's go. First go to Chrome, select go to Google, then we'll search on VLC only, and this is the first website, VLC media player. Click on this, then this will show here download VLC. To click the VLC download any window you have installed, no problem. On click on download VLC, then wait some minutes, seconds. This is here, it's download is started. I will show you download. Okay, then it is showing here download. There's a download option in this your PC. It is here the two files is downloaded. You see this. Okay, on then click on any one of them which you are processor 64 or 32. Then we click on 32. My PC is 32. Then we'll click OK. Okay, this is installing, is start. Okay, then next, and then click on install. Then it's completely installed. No anybody, any video you play is played. My VLC already is installed, then I will not install again. I will only show you how to install. This is a space, required space, and this is a 7 available space आपकी. Okay, only click install. It is installed directly, not any other process. Then click on any video, this is played. Okay, I have already installed, then I don't do install again. Okay, then click. I hope you like this video. To any queries, any problem, comment me.